एवरीवन, आज मैं वापस आ गई आपके साथ एक नए टॉपिक पे आई हूँ। मैं बहुत टाइम बाद में एक और नया टॉपिक शेयर कर रही हूँ और वो टॉपिक है चैप्टर 5 ऑफ सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर। चैप्टर नेम तानसेन, क्लास 6 इंग्लिश। सो लेट मी शेयर द स्क्रीन. So let's start the topic. This is Tansen, who was a very famous musician of India. He has also sang in front of Emperor Akbar. As you all know, Emperor Akbar was a very famous and big emperor. So let's start the topic. Let me raise. Let's go. So now the chapter name is Tansen. So first we should do the introduction of Tansen chapter. So this lesson is the story of a famous Indian musician, Tansen. It talks about the importance of complete information and the wisdom of finding solutions. How Tansen, with his deep knowledge of music and wisdom to apply that knowledge, was able to save himself. So let's check the summary of this chapter. So this is the summary. This is not the whole summary. I have make some parts of the summary. So let's start the summary. So let me take the pen. So Tansen was the great musician. Tansen was a great musician of our country. He was the only child of Mukanand Mishra. Mukanand Mishra was also a very big musician of India. He was the only child of Mukanand Mishra, a singer who lived in Bihat near Gwalior. They lived in Gwalior. They live Bihat, which is near Gwalior. As a naughty child, Tansen often ran away to play in the forest and imitate perfectly the calls of birds and animals. He often ran to play in the forest, so he started to practice imitating the calls of birds and animals. So now let's trace on. Swami Haridas, a famous singer, was once traveling through the forest with his disciples. Disciple means जो उनके शिष्य थे, जो उनके साथ सीखा करते थे म्यूजिक। हरिदास के साथ जो उनके शिष्य थे और वो उनको म्यूजिक सिखाया करते थे with his disciples. Tansen roared like a tiger and frightened the group of travelers. So he thought of a plan. Because he knew to imitate perfectly the calls of birds and animals, he thought there is a stranger in the forest. So he thought I should frighten them. So he roared like a tiger and frightened all the group of travelers. Then Swami Haridas did not punish Tansen for his roaring. The Swami Haridas, who was traveling through the forest as a traveler, he did not punish Tansen for his roaring like a tiger. But he convinced his father that Tansen can become a good singer. So Tansen left home at the age of 10 and lived with Swami Swami and learned music for 11 years. Now the meaning of convince is उनको मना लिया that he स्वामी हरिदास ने उसके फादर मुकानंद मिश्रा को मना लिया कि he can become a very big singer, so you please send him to become a very big singer with me. I will train him how to sing. So he left his home at the age of 10 and lived with Swami. and learned music for 11 years, and thus he became a great singer. When he practiced for 11 years with the Swami Haridas, so after 11 years he became a very great singer. Now this is the next one, next two paragraphs. At about this time his parents were dead. उस टाइम तक उनके जो पेरेंट्स थे वो मर चुके थे. Mukanand Mishra's dying wish was that Tansen should visit Muhammad Ghaus of Gwalior. When the Mukanand Mishra was dying, his last wish was that Tansen should visit उसको मोहम्मद गौस जो ग्वालियर में रहता था या फिर जो ग्वालियर का था उसके पास उसको जाना चाहिए. While living in Gwalior with Muhammad Ghaus, Tansen was often taken to the court. Taken to the court of Rani Magragini. He was the Rani of the court, who was a great musician herself. When Tansen was living in Gwalior with Muhammad Ghaus, Tansen was often taken to the court of Rani Magragini, and she herself also was a very great musician. There he married Hussaini, who became a disciple of Swami Haridas. जब वो वहाँ पे गया तब उसने हुसैनी who was a courtier उससे she married her. So she also became the disciple यानी शिष्य of Haridas, Swami Haridas की वो शिष्य बन गई थी. She also became the shishya of Swami Haridas. Tansen and Hussaini had 5 children who were all very musical. Tansen and Hussaini, both wife and husband, they had 5 children who were all very musical. They also like music, and they were also like a musical type one. By this time, Tansen had become very famous. Impressed by Tansen, Emperor Akbar वो जो Tansen था वो Tansen was very famous at that time, and the Akbar and the Emperor Akbar was very impressed by him and instituted him to join the court. And instituted mean उसको बोला कि he should join Akbar's court, he should join his court. After joining Akbar's court in 1556, जब तानसेन ने अकबर का कोर्ट ज्वाइन किया in 1556, Tansen soon became a great favorite of the Emperor Akbar. He was very then after when time passed, then Tansen soon became the very favorite of Akbar because he sang very good, and he was very, very fond of him too. Akbar walked into Tansen's house to hear him practice, called upon Tansen to sing at any time during the day or night, and also gave him many presents. तो जो अकबर थे वो कभी भी तानसेन के घर में आ जाते थे उसको प्रैक्टिस करता हुआ सुनने के लिए. When he प्रैक्टिस जब करता था तब अकबर एम्परर अकबर कभी भी आ जाते थे उसको उसकी प्रैक्टिस सुनने के लिए. And he also called the Akbar also called the Tansen many times to sing in his court during the time of day or during the time of night, anytime. And he also gave many presents to him, and he because he was very impressed by his music. So these are also more 4 paragraphs, I think. Some of the courtiers became jealous of Tansen and wished to see him ringed. जो कोटियर्स थे अकबर की, वो बहुत जेलस हो गए थे तानसेन से, एंड दे वांट टू किल हिम. शौकत मियाँ, अ courtier, plotted to get him killed. जो उनके उनके जो कोर्टियर में से कोई एक कोर्टियर था, ही वाज शौकत मियाँ. He planned to kill him. So he wanted Tansen to sing Rag Deepak, which makes the air so hot that the singer is burned to ashes. And he knew that if the Tansen sing Rag Deepak, which make the air so hot that he will burn to ashes and he will be killed. Tansen could not disobey the emperor. When he was ordered to sing Rag Deepak, but Tansen requested the emperor to give him time to prepare himself. During this time, Tansen taught his daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupvati to sing Rag Megh, which will bring rain. Tansen cannot disobey the emperor when he जो तानसेन था वो उनको मना नहीं कर सकता था, because he did not want to say no to the emperor and did not want to disobey or distrust his distrust the emperor. So he said that okay, I will sing Rag Deepak, but he was very scared that he know that he can burn into ashes. So he requested a emperor to give time to prepare himself. तो तैयार होने के लिए उसने उसको टाइम दिया. During this time, Tansen thought his daughter तो उस जितना टाइम था उसको मिला था प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, उसको उस टाइम में उसने खुद ने प्रैक्टिस की एंड टॉट अपनी अपनी बेटी और उसकी फ्रेंड को प्रैक्टिस करवाया राग मेघ की. जो राग मेघ एक ऐसा राग है जिससे बारिश आ सकती है. Tansen started singing Rag Deepak on the appointed day. The air became warm, the trees dried, the bird fell die, flames stuck up out of now here and lights and lighted the lamps. Just then the two girls began to sing Rag Megh, which brought the rain, and Tansen was saved. So the Tansen started. जिस दिन उन्होंने सोचा था उस दिन तानसेन ने राग दीपक गाना शुरू कर दिया, and he made the air so warm that the trees started to dry, the birds feel dead, the flames shoot up out, जो आगे आग आग आने लगी और जो लाइट्स से जो लैंप्स थे वो लाइटेड हो गए. तभी उन दोनों लड़कियों ने राग में गाना शुरू कर दिया एंड जो बारिश थी उस बारिश ने आग को मिटा दिया, आग को हटा दिया, चारों तरफ वापस नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर हो गया, इसीलिए तानसेन बच गया. Tansen was very ill after this, and so Akbar punished Tansen's enemy. The entire city rejoined. Sorry, huh. The entire city rejoiced when Tansen got well. Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585. When he died, he composed several new rags. His tomb in Gwalior is a place of a pilgrim for musicians. Sorry, pilgrim for musicians. तो उस इंसिडेंट के बाद तानसेन बहुत इल हो गया और अकबर को इसी से बारे में पता चला। अकबर ने तानसेन के एनिमीज यानी कोर्टियर्स को उन्होंने उन कोर्टियर्स को पनिश किया यानी सजा दी। एंड जब बाद में जब वो ठीक हो गए तब पूरा जो एंटायर सिटी था वो वापस खुश हो गया। जो तानसेन था वो अकबर के कोर्ट में 1585 तक रहा। उसके बाद में वो मर गए थे। ही कंपोज सेवरल न्यू राग्स ने उन्होंने कई सारे नए राग भी बनाए थे। His tomb in Gwalior is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. उनकी जगह है tomb वो ग्वालियर में है। और पिलिग्रिमेज का मतलब होता है कि जैसे कि बहुत ही अच्छी जगह है जो म्यूजिशियन को काफ़ी चीज़ें सिखाती हैं, वैसे वाली जगह। सो जो लास्ट राइड है वो है, please like, subscribe and share my channel, please guys. Thank you.